Montessori language class. Teach your child to read and write with our free online tutorials.
Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn how to build three-letter words. Let's start. Cat. When we say cat, what first sound we hear? K. K. At. K. A. K. At. Cat. Bat. B. At. B. B. At. B. A. B. At. Bat. Mat. M. At. At. Mat. Rat. At. At. Rat. Hat. At. At. Hat. Sat. At. At. Sat. Do you have this worksheet with you? You are going to cut this worksheet, these words around the dotted line, and keep all your cutouts next to it, like this. And then we are going to match these words with their picture. Let me show you. B. At. Bat. At. Hat. At. Sat. At. Mat. K. At. Cat. At. Rat. Now you are going to read your words and match them with their picture. Today we are done with our lesson. See you next time. Bye bye.